right, we're continuing with chord progressions, and we're going to look at the chords from Island in the Sun by Weezer. Fun fact about this song is that it was not supposed to be on the album. It came out in 2001. The producer was actually the one who insisted that this be on the album, and it's a good thing it was, because it has become the most licensed song in the entire Weezer catalog, which means it's probably also the most profitable song for Weezer. So props to the producer there. All right, so yesterday I mentioned that when the key signature and the first chord match, you're probably in that key. And of course there's exceptions to this, but let's just assume that that's the case here. Okay, so this would be your 1 chord. E minor, A minor then is going to be your 4 chord here. The D chord would be the 7 chord in this case. And then the G chord would be the 3 chord. Okay, so we look at that and we see 1, 4, 7, 3. And you think, that's kind of unusual, but it works. However, when you actually listen to the song, you don't hear the E minor as the 1 chord. It doesn't feel like there's a cadence when you get to the 1 chord. It actually feels like right here is the cadence, the D going to the G. And when we look at the end of the song, we find out that, yes, indeed, G does actually feel like the 1 chord. It does feel like the cadence. So let's start over. If we're in the key of G, so this is our 1 chord, then that means that this right here is the 6 chord. This is the 2 chord. And then D is the 5 chord. And there we have a 6, 2, 5, 1. That makes a whole lot more sense than what we saw before if we were assuming we were in the key of E minor. So that's your chord progression, at least for the verse, for Island in the Sun, 6, 2, 5, 1.